Hi friends, welcome to webmac Solutions. Today we'll show you how to install the WhatsApp CRM and how to generate a free license key. This video will guide you step by step through the installation process. If you want to learn more about the features of this application and how to use it, please check out our full WhatsApp CRM tutorial videos on the channel. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google and search for webmac. Click on the webmac website link to visit our official site. Once you're on the homepage, click the button that says WhatsApp CRM Free Demo. This WhatsApp CRM is called WhatBot, and you'll get a 7-day free trial. Step 1. Enter your first and last name, and then type your valid WhatsApp number with the country code. This is required to receive the OTP and activate your free trial. First, you'll receive an OTP on your registered WhatsApp number. Enter the 4-digit OPT and you'll get a confirmation message containing your trial key and the extension download link. Click the download link and locate the downloaded file on your computer. Extract it, then open your Chrome browser and go to the extensions page. Turn on developer mode, click load unpacked and select the WhatBot CRM folder you just extracted. This will install the extension. Next, refresh your WhatsApp web page. You'll now see WhatBot CRM loading in your browser. Click the first icon on the tool, then click Insert Code, paste your trial key from the WhatsApp message and click Submit. Your trial key is now activated. You can explore the WhatBot CRM panel and its features. For a complete guide on how to use this application, watch the next video linked in the description. Thanks for watching. Contact us for more details about WhatBot CRM and transform your business communication with WhatsApp to generate more leads and grow your sales. Subscribe and share. It will be useful to your friends and relatives. Thanks for your continued support.